wardrobe spray. Every costume shop has it, and every costume shop hides it. It is an elusive, magical potion for the olfactory senses. It is a cleansing mystery. I mean, actually, it's just a spray bottle, and it's filled with a 1-to-1 ratio of water and the absolute cheapest vodka that you can find. And I mean undrinkably cheap. Like bottom shelf, plastic bottle. You use wardrobe spray on everything you can't wash in order to kill bacteria and therefore most of that dirty costume smell. Costume shops basically use wardrobe spray on everything that eventually gets sent to the dry cleaner when it's just unavoidably dirty. So, what does that actually mean specifically? As a rule of thumb, I don't wash anything in a washer that has a lot of delicate handwork on it, like embroidery, or that has structural elements, like fusible hair canvas that'll get unglued, nylon horsehair braid that'll get crumpled and ugly, and shoulder pads that'll lose all their shape. So after wearing, I hang coats and dresses inside out, and I spray the armpits, all around the collar, the whole back, around the waist, and anywhere else that is sweaty. Corsets get sprayed inside everywhere. Skirts and pants get their waistband sprayed. Pants get the whole crotch sprayed. And I also spray this on a rag or paper towel, and I'll rub down hat bands and the inside of shoes. I am not a materials scientist, and I honestly am not sure what you can't use it on. I expect using on anything with unsealed alcohol paint would be a bad idea. And you might get water spots on some taffetas. Also, things with very specific pleats might come undone because the water will affect the crispness. If you are not sure, test it first on a swatch or on a hidden area like seam allowance or the hem. By the way, if you are taking this to a con, which I absolutely recommend, I do, don't tell people what's in it until you don't need it anymore. That is why I always call this wardrobe spray, because if you go around talking about vodka spray, somebody is going to drink it. There is always someone who will drink it. And you don't want to end your con by being furious at the person sharing a hotel room with you because they shotgunned your wardrobe spray and now you are stuck with a pile of increasingly smelly clothes unless you can shame them into paying a crap ton to get you a few shots of vodka so you can spray your armpits. Or you can grit your teeth and say nothing. You just go spend an ungodly amount yourself, and then you just quietly resent them. Boo! No, both options suck. Just don't tell anyone what's in it. It's wardrobe spray. Shh. No. No. It's wet. That was a mistake.